Hi, I'm David Wood. I'm 46 years old and I live in Utah. I've had CMT for 20 years.
Nice, you definitely hit the outsides first, yeah.
With these braces, I have been able to continue hiking, biking, and climbing. They have great energy return. They last a long time. The quality is just fantastic.
Now, your first pair, when we first met you, that was in 2016?
Correct.
Right. So now you've come back, your feet have changed a little bit, so you've got the newer version of the Helios GX.
Yeah.
So could you just explain the difference in the energy return with the new version?
Yeah, so I can tell the energy return is much higher. There's less stress on my knees at this point, and I don't feel like I'm pushing as much as I had been doing in the past.
So David, you mentioned that you've done cross-country skiing with the Helios?
Yeah, so before I tried to cross-country ski with other braces and without braces, and it did not go well. This last winter, I went skiing, cross-country skiing, and I did fantastically well. Was able to balance really well on the skis, in large part to the braces for sure.
Right, so the braces worked for you with the skis on.
Yeah, yep, absolutely.
Well, that's really cool. Good. How'd it feel going off the curb?
Good. Easy. Going up feels good.
Since getting the Helios, I think you said you could hike 5 miles, was it?
Yep, at least 5 miles.
At least 5 miles.
Yeah, up, 1,000 feet for sure. And I haven't had no problems going up, and I've had no problems going down. Some people think about hiking as being just the uphill, but going downhill, you also have to make sure that your feet are stable and your legs are stable, and I've had great return on these braces.
Great. Well, we're looking forward to more hiking stories and see how you do. And we will follow up with you and wish you continued progress.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.